What's going on, guys? I've got here a 2025 Nissan Sentra, and I'm going to use this car to show you how to replace your brake light switch, and I'll show you where you can find the fuse for the brake light switch as well. So firstly, the fuse. It's located behind the cover to the left of the steering wheel. You remove the cover by prying down from the top with a key or flathead screwdriver. The back of the cover contains a fuse puller. You can use that to remove the 10 amp fuse located right here. This 10 amp fuse provides power for your brake lights. So let me go ahead and pull that out. I'll show you what a good fuse looks like. And then I will remove the brake light switch for you. So here's a fuse. You can see that this fuse is intact. Now this brake light switch is important for obviously your stoplights to come on, but it's also needed for your car to start. On this car, it's got the push to start, and if it does not detect that you're hitting the brakes, then it will not allow you to start the car. So looking here, find the brake pedal and follow it upwards. You'll actually find that there are two brake light switches. This one is used for the stoplights and also for the computer to turn the car on. The switch above it is used for the cruise control. Now let's check this out. So to remove this, it's very simple. You grab it and you rotate it counterclockwise, at which point it will come out. Now if this is working properly, at this point your brake lights should be on because the plunger is depressed. To remove this from the connector, you push in on the tab and you pull it out. Now at this point, your brake lights should be off. When you get your new switch, very simple, you connect it. At this point, you can run to the back of the car and check to see if your brake lights are coming on. And if you're happy with that, then you can insert it into the plastic receiver. And you push it down until it makes contact with the brake pedal and you turn it clockwise. So yeah, I hope that this information was helpful for you. Please do let me know down below if you have any questions or any advice about the brake lights on your Nissan Sentra.